Honestly, I'm not sure what I want to be.
Okay.
Now I think I don't have the creative goal that what I want to do.
Right now, I have many interesting. So like, I learned electrical engineering, right? But I'm interested in to be a web developer, also as well as the photographer.
This step is only the beginning. Some recommendations locked? Just sign up with Gmail, it's free. Welcome to your personal dashboard. Now you can see more experts' recommendation. Don't see your idol? Just search them. Want to follow their path? Click this green button. See the traits you share with successful people and the achievements you can aim for. We call that the golden pills. Everyone's path is unique because it's based on your strongest traits. Now, go to step 3. Copy from experts into your career plan. How? Here are some of our recommended cue cards that you can try to mimic your idol. You can choose the one that fits what you want to achieve. Upload more assessment data to get better affirmation on your interests and traits. And yes, expert mentors are here to make sure you don't walk alone.